So mga bossing, good morning sa inyo. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Grand Bend Motorplex. Kakarating-rating ko lang din, medyo malayo-layo. Ayan mga boss, oh. So pinuntahan natin dito yung Festival of Speed, mga vintage din ang motor. Tapos tatry natin pumunta doon sa drag strip. Meron silang karera ngayon eh, no? Kung makikita nyo mga boss. Ayan. Yung mga bossing yung kakarera mamaya. Punta natin yan. Ayan mga boss, oh. Diba? Mga bossing. So mamaya mga bossing, pupuntahan natin tong mga pandrag na to. Pupuntahan natin mamaya mga bossing. Hi, morning. So mga bossing, maaga pa. Ikot tayo mamaya. So ayan mga bossing, ikot-ikot muna tayo. Kuha muna tayo ng mga shots. Ito pala yung kumarera nun sa PRRA, nandito rin siya. These are your bikes?
Yeah, they're fine.
Really nice.
It's 1960, the other one's 1961.
Oh, okay. Oh, Norton, yeah.
Single cylinder, there's two cylinders.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's a big one.
Big one cylinder.
Yeah, one big. It's really nice. What model is that? Norton.
This is what they call a Max Norton. So this was a genuine racing Norton from back in the 60s.
Wow.
This is a replica of it. Yeah, that's what it. Yeah.
I always see Norton in Isle of Man, but they use the what's that? It has like a smoke, but it sounds like a two-stroke and a four-stroke. What's that?
Oh yeah, the modern one. Yeah,
Like
the
the
modern one.
What
yeah.
kind of engine is that? Uses the I forgot.
The rotary.
Rotary, yeah. Rotary engine.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, they did very well with the rotary engine for quite a few years.
Yeah.
They developed it. But this is like early 50s technology.
Yeah. This is
They
beautiful.
just kept improving them a little bit, and
Yeah.
now they're making all kinds of replica stuff.
Yeah. Wow,
It's
it's
a
really
fun thing.
nice. Oh, this one is the. Oh yeah, this is the twin.
Started off as a street engine.
Oh,
So
okay.
this one was always meant for racing, but this one started off as a street engine.
Oh, street engine. Okay.
And we developed it for racing.
Okay. Man, the block on this one is so big.
Oh,
Yeah, the engine is so big. But does it
two cylinders and it's
two-cylinder?
smaller.
Yeah. What's your name again?
Roger.
Gian. Nice to
Yeah.
meet you.
Oh, good to meet you too.
Yeah. Are you also in the Shannonville?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. I've seen you around.
yeah, alright.
Yeah, we were in Shannonville, yeah.
Yeah. So nice. Mga bossing.
Hey,
Morning.
on?
Good. I've made it here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Solid. Kailangan bukasan natin. Nice. Ito yung bossing. Solid. Ooh, Norton. Did I give you the stickers?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. See you around. Yeah, thank you.
nice guy?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I like your videos a
Oh,
lot.
thank you, thank you.
Yeah, I really
Thank you, sir.
appreciate you.
What's your name?
I'm Patrick.
Gian.
Gian?
Yeah, thank you.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm 350 over there.
Oh, this one's for you? Okay, okay. Thanks. Yeah, thank you. Nakilala na naman sa atin. Hello. Ah?
I'll get the wagon out of your way.
Oh, it's okay.
I love that, showing that thing off.
Oh, thank you.
My favorite thing I've ever built.
Solid, oh. Ang liit, eh. Ang laki ng makina.
In it.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
And the
wow.
rest of the stuff, but I just got it thrown together before the last race,
Yeah.
and I got to take it this winter and clean up details and stuff, finish it off. But I had to know they're round,
Yeah.
and it is fun and stable. It's
Yeah,
really
wow.
solid. Because it basically has the frame cradle.
Oh,
the FJ600,
okay. That's
right?
why, yeah.
Those motors only bolt on the bottom. They never had an upper mount.
Oh,
So
okay.
they just up it went. It was actually
Really clean.
crazy easy, actually. And it's literally one of the engines from our spare race bikes, the 550 Seiko.
Yeah.
So we got it as spares. If we
Yeah,
needed it.
okay.
That's our excuse.
Wow.
I like what you do. Your videos.
Oh,
and
thank you so
stuff.
much.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, you do a good job with the
Yeah,
beer
thank
stuff.
you. Thank
So-
you.
So, hoping to meet you here.
Yeah. What's your name?
Jamie.
Jamie. Gian.
Gian?
Yeah, Gian.
Gian,
Yeah.
You're just a 2T2 life.
Yeah,
guy.
yeah.
That's all we got. Gian.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm happy that I make it here because it's like a 3-hour drive from where I live.
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're 4, he's 6
Yeah.
to get here, but I'm glad too. We
Yeah.
got up here Thursday night and it's just beautiful.
Yeah.
The stuff running around, the cars down
Yeah. Oh, that's the drag for the big wheels and
there. Yeah.
I'm gonna sit later.
I don't know if they're still doing it. Are they
Yeah.
all warming up?
Yeah. So
I can barely believe it. It's crazy.
yeah.
We out that soon? Oh,
15, half an hour maybe.
okay.
Just I'm covered in oil.
Do you know where you're going?
That's the food.
Okay, my word calls.
Oh, thank you. See you there.
Alleyway here and park to the left there. It is the wonderful one.
Yan. So, ayan o. Ito yung Seca. Ayan na.
So, which first? Hannah for me.
Puta natin. It's okay. Morning. Getting for practice? Yeah. Okay. Ang Harley pala. Morning.
How are you?
Good. Did I give you some stickers before?
Oh no!
Oh, here you go.
Oh, thank you. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Really enjoy your
Yeah, yeah, thank you. Have we given you stickers before?
What's that?
Sticker?
No,
No?
stickers are always good.
Yeah. There you go.
Awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah, thank you.
It'll be on the bike.
Yeah.
Group two. Get ready to come on up. Group two, get ready to come on up for your session.
So, practice sila mga boss. Ang mga boss, Ferrari. So mga bossing, ayan, nandito yung display area nila. Ito yung mga classic, yung mga sasakyan, mga boss, oh. Di ba? Ganda. Puta natin. So, may nakita ako dun kanina Ferrari na ano, classic. Wow, mga British ata to na, ayun, British na mga model, mga boss. Picturean natin to mamaya. Ganda. Tapos nandun yung mga motor nila. Puta natin. Ayan. Natin mga motor. Pero mamaya puntahan natin yung drag dun mamaya. So practice pa lang naman sila. So dito muna tayo. Narinig nyo mga boss? Yun yung mga pangkarera. Ayan. Ano to? Oh, yun naman si Idol, oh. Yung 2-stroke. Oh. Isda. Pang rally. Wala. Old school mga boss, oh. Grabe yung pagkaon ito. Ang mga bossing Yamaha, ano to? Ganito. Solid mga boss, so Yamaha. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong model. TZ siguro. Solid. Picture natin. These are all your collections, right?
No.
Some of them.
Just these three are mine.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah, the white and red, number 8.
And this one.
Yeah, the next one to it, and the next one
Oh,
to it there.
oh wow.
Those are mine.
That's really
Yeah, thank you.
mga boss, solid. Na-meet natin si Big Dream Motorcycles, mga bossing. Ang ganda ng unit nyo, Suzuki 250 lang. Mga bossing, oh. Suzuki 250. Ang linis. Wow. Wow, solid, oh. Ang linis. Nice. Punta natin iba. Uy, carbon. Carbon Lodi. Carbon Lodi. Yan. Carbon Lodi, mga bossing. Kawasaki na 250 din. Twin. Wow. Solid naman. Carbon, mga bossing. Tapos balik tayo din mamaya sa mga 2-stroke. Tapos itong mga bossing. Wow.
Door cars, lanes 1 and 2. You can see box door cars, lanes 1
Yeah.
and 2.
Morning! Ganda ng collection niya.
These favorites with flowers, junior crazy. They're on standby.
Ang linis, eh, no? Ang rider dati na gumamit nitong unit na ganito is si Michelle Duff, Canadian racer. Laki. Euromaster. Oh, beluga.
Stinky old gloves on.
That's nice. Picture natin. Mga solid mga boss, oh. Yamaha, ano yun? Beluga. Gwapo din mga boss, oh. Makina niya, oh. Laki. Technigas, yung tambucho niya. Ito pa isa, solid. Big Dream. Ganda, oh. Hindi makita. So mga boss, start na ng sidecar practice. So sidecar naman mga bossing. Start na ng practice sidecar.
Watch out there, guys. He's got to come through. Oh, go around so you can hook back up. Up correct. You're crazy. Watch out.
Ito mga bossing, oh. May display din sila dito ng mga military na vehicles. Mga bossing, oh. Galing eh, no? Ay, mga two-stroke na mga bossing. na yung practice nila, mga bossing. Balik na sila sa loob. Ikot tayo mga bossing. Nagugutom na ako.
I think he's taking a video.
Hello.
Hired you?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Give him all a good shot.
Yeah.
Here, get a good
So-
shot of bringing him on the merch.
Good job. Thank you. Yo, mga boss. Solid. Boss, oh, RG 500. Wow.
You gonna line up in the? Yeah. Look at that.
That's so cute. Mga boss, oh. Solid RG 500. Solid RG. Wow. Ganda naman collection nila ngayon dito. Ikutan natin mga boss. Isa na tong RG 500, oh. Meron tayong BMW. Ito natin sila. Yan mga boss, ikutan natin. Meron tayong Norton Commando 750, Suzuki GT380,
Mark number 4. Number 4. Mark number 4.
Norton 750 na Commando. Mga classic, mga bossing. DSA Roadster 500. Oh, nice to. May mga pagkain pa mga boss. Oh. Wine. La Verda. Iba mga brand dito. Oh. 750. La Verda. Iba to. Moto Guzzi. 1971. Dami oh. Ito mga bossing, tingnan nyo, nakakaibang kalawang yung ano niya, body. Pero tingnan mo yung makina, Edelbrock. Uy. Solid. Kalawang yung body, pero ang makina Edelbrock. Solid. Uy, Suzuki. Oh, boss, oh. Picture natin to. 500 Mark II.
And right away, if they were the two-stroke, right? No. Oh, it's a 9-foot. But right away, they're both double the things. Oh, yeah. That's neat. That is neat. Turbo lag. That's
Hey,
like cool.
yeah.
I like that. I've never seen one in my life.
Mga boss, oh. Honda Turbo CX500 Turbo. $500 Mach 3 Kawasaki.
Hey, Mark, how do you set spot? Yeah, just do it. All right.
CR125 mga bossing.
Look at the foam on the spurs. Hey, Kenny Robertson, maybe that's a sticker.
Sight sa likod. Mga bossing, oh. Toyota 86. Alam, punta tayo doon. Mga 2-stroke. Bossing, mga military car.
You know we're doing the around the track thing? What's that? When are you doing the around the track?
Solid.
You told me to be around noon. You do all the bike races.
Oo. 50 caliber.
Been gone.
koleksyon ng mga military, mga boss. Oh. Uy. Uy. Ina. Counter Strike. Okay. Solid. May camp. Kompleto. May tangke. O mga boss, di ba? Solid. Ano siya? 1959 na ano to? Daimler Ferret Scout Car. Galing, oh.
Now the other car would have been tough to beat. 009 light, 673 with
Mga boss. Ito. Mga boss, ano to? Kawasaki.
Was it just the same engine, the 7?
Ganda, no?
Hi, how are you?
Ang linis.
I
Ang
bought
laki
this
ng
at
reeds.
G&G Motorcycles in Lambeth, Ontario in 1975. Had it a little while.
Napakalinis. Suzuki GS 1100E. Ano ito? BMW R55. Ito, ano? CR. Ano CR to? 125. 125R. Ang gwapo din ito. Ay. So mga bossing, kukuha lang ako ng maiinom. Tapos ikutan natin to. Ito yung padak ng mga yung sa drug. Tignan niyo mga bossing. Mga pan-drug nila, oh. Diba? Kung maaga ako matapos dun sa Festival of Speed, tatry natin kung makapasok tayo dun sa drug strip. Gusto ko, first time ko rin makakita ng ganyan, eh. Drugstore. Mga solid. Yun, oh. Traffic. Ano yung mga bossing, eh? Tulog pa lang. Tulog lang.
Get out of your way.
Mga po. Solid. Ayan ang mga boss, oh. Di ba? May nakalinya na sila oh. Mga bossing. Solid eh. Kaya mga boss oh. Tignan nyo. First time ko makakita ng kakarera ganyan. Doon yun oh, drag strip doon. Mga boss, nandito tayo. Dragster. Yeah. Yeah.
I can't believe it.
Like the ones with the big wheels. Yeah, it's the sound.
And it's funny to see them driving. Because you think they only go straight.
Yeah.
And seeing them drive around the bends is so weird. School bus. I haven't had a good look at it.
Yeah, go there. Pag-drag din ang motor. So yun mga bossing, balik na tayo. Tapos na yung lunch. Try natin makapag-video ulit. Pero pagkatapos ko mag-video dun sa Festival of Speed, try natin mag-video dun sa drag strip. Tara! So yun mga bossing, minadagdag. Ito, RZ350. So, wait lang. Ayun. So yun mga bossing, minadagdag. Ito, Yamaha RZ350. Ang ganda. Solid mga bossing. K2 Tech na pipe. Timaki na niya. 2GU. Ano to? Oh, what is it? 350 cc mga bossing. Ganda. Ito yung harapan, shocks. USD ang shocks niya sa harap. Ito yung gauge niya. Linis.
Box, dragster, buyback, 1-2. Box, dragster, buyback, 1-2. We have an 11.
So dito yung mga bossing sa Grand Bend sa Festival of Speed.
11, 5 over. Take a 006.
Ganda.
4, 1 over 6. Not get there. Get it still, right?
All up
Yeah.
the Canadian flag in his hand,
Yeah.
and then they come and set up on the side of the rigs come set up on the side of the track. And I wave, and they have to run across, get on the rigs, and then start. So
Yeah.
you can get a good one of the
Documentary.
him like with them all setting off now.
Yeah.
I'm not quite sure. Maybe if we set you over here, because you can get. Can you zoom in a bit?
Yeah.
Like, can you zoom in? So from over there, will you get the
From
up
here?
the control tower? Will you get
Yeah.
that?
Yeah, I'll try.
So if I set you over there, he's our photographer. I'm going to put him by the control tower. Thank you. All right.
Yep.
So they're going to come out initially here.
Oh, here.
Right? And you can get video of that, and then I'm going to be just across the road from you. So the guys are all going to line up down here with the sidecars. The tank will come through them. He'll hand me the flag, and then I'm going to start the race. All right?
Okay.
He'll tell you can move. But wherever you move to, just make sure you're a good distance. And you know racing tracks, right? Don't be in outside of a corner where they can come off and hit you.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So are you okay here? Do you want a water?
Oh, yeah,
Or
sure.
something?
Yeah, yeah.
You can hide in the shade for a bit. It's gonna water,
Yeah.
pop.
Yeah, this water. Yep.
Water?
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, mate.
Yep.
All right. You're an awesome guy.
Yeah.
You really are. I'm so glad you're here.
Yeah. So yun, mag-shoot tayo dito mga bossing. Tatry muna natin ha, setup natin. Kaya mga bossing, start na ng race. Yan, dito tayo. Yan na. Na ata yung second race mga bossing. Nandito tayo sa field oh. Tapos na tayo yung second race. Punta tayo doon. Red flag. Red flag pala. So ayun mga bossing, race 3 na ata. So mamaya balik tayo doon, inom na akong tubig. Uhaw na ako. Uhaw na ang inyong lingkod. Kasi uminit ngayon, maganda yung panahon. Walang ulap, konti lang. Susunod, may scooter ata na karera eh. So balik tayo kaagad. Grabe. Ang laki ng gulong. Tapos ang liit ng harap pa. Nauuhaw na ako. Inom muna tayo mga bossing. Ang may inom. Ito yung drag strip. Yung drag raceway nila. Diyan. Inom muna tayo.
If you are number 809, which is project is waiting by on.
My name is David.
Yeah, David. Yeah, you're selling.
Well, we got the food truck here.
Yeah, the food truck.
Sunset Diner at St. Mary's.
Yeah.
And we got burgers, bacon, back bacon on a bun with egg and cheese, hamburgers, pulled pork on a bun,
Yeah.
hamburger, cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger, poutines.
Yeah. All right.
Anyway, thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you. Mga bossing, kotse naman.
Alright, 1 minute call for warm-up lap, 1 minute call for warm-up lap for race cars, race number 6. 1 minute call, if you're not in the lane when we send the cars out, you'll start from pit lane. So hopefully all cars are in the lane under a minute for warm-up lap.
And then is Peyton and one of
Alright, attention in the pits. Cars are going out for warm-up lap. Cars are going out for warm-up lap.
So yun mga bossing, katapos na nung car race, dito tayo, try natin kung makapag-video tayo ng montage tayo ng mga motor dun sa may bike show. Let's go. Tapos na sila. Piaggio. Ano ba yung unit to? Lupit to. Electron. Ang galing yun. Vespa Piaggio. Siguro manak po to. Ganda eh. Ito yung sidecar.
Full send, right? Full send! Hey, come on! Hey, full send! Full send! Full send! Woohoo!
Right? Hold on here. Yeah, I put this one and this one. Body lays in here. Now I put this one on, right? This one. Okay.
It's like the whole very...
Slide down. Okay. Switch your hands. Move over. And go out like this. Okay. If you don't get that far, it's fine. And never let go. Eddie, we gotta do your helmet up, bud. Gotta do your helmet up.
Hey, you're ready to go.
Right here. Okay, you're all ready to go. Okay. This is like back straight. Okay. I got you though. And then when she's going left, you're gonna hand over here. Got that. I don't have to lean up too far.
Squat down. When I go to the right, eyes up, you're going to look where I'm going, okay? When I go left, you're going to lean to the left, okay? So if we're doing a left corner, you want to look to the left.
I won't fly off, right? Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Trudy, how you doing? All right. I'm all right. You're amazing.
It's my first time driving this thing, huh?
Trudy, you know what we're doing.
No, not at all.
You're going Tommy.
You got all the photos?
Which side's the brake, honey? I think she's got
I don't know.
Okay.
I think we ruined the brakes on the race. Good? Rock and roll.
Hold on, she's awesome, that kid. Your back. You want to bend. Like, don't like bend back. Yeah.
Krista, can you tell Vic that there's an oil pan sitting on the turtles? Come on, get suited up.
Cheese. Wait, no, wait. Awesome.
Hello. This one's fast. I saw it in the trap.
It should be a lot quicker too. It's got an issue.
Yeah.
Try to solve.
So mga bossing, hanggang dito na lang yung video natin. Sana nag-enjoy kayo kahit papano. Ingat kayo palagi. Ride safe, bye bye!